Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Now if you're new and you don't mind, go down and subscribe. We post videos almost every week or so, and it helps me out a ton because we're getting pretty close to 500 subscribers. It'll mean the absolute world to me. Like I always say, if we could hit that goal right there and then move on to 1,000. That's enough talking about that. If you like the video, drop a like. But anyways, let's get started. Now here's my baby right here. We got the Mustang. If you did not see my video, it was actually like one of the first videos I ever posted on my channel, was installing a super cheap, it was like $30 underglow kit from Amazon, and we put it on the car and it worked really great for a few months, and then a couple of problems started happening. First off, the first problem we ran into was a few months into it. They were working great, fine. My friends loved them. A couple of the older people I knew were thinking it was stupid, but I didn't care. They were kind of fun. It was like $30, and if I turned them off, you never even knew they were there, so it wasn't a big deal. But the problem happens when I went to bed one day. I turned them off, and then my dad came in the morning because he works nights, and he was like, "Brett, did you turn off your underglow because they're on right now?" And I was like, "Well, I turned them off." So I walked outside, turned them off, and then another time I was coming home from my friend's house at night, and I get out of my car. I had them off like the whole way there, never turned them on. And I get out, and they were on, and they were on all blue, which is even worse because that is like extremely illegal. If a cop would have saw me rolling down the interstate with blue underglow on, that would have not been good. But anyways, yeah, it was random. They would randomly turn on and off when I didn't even do that, which I guess that's better than them not working at all. But yeah. So I pretty much planned on taking them off anyway after all that kept happening. They kept randomly popping on. But the final straw happened when I was going over the railroad tracks, and my car being pretty low, lowered like 1.5 inches front and back, it scraped pretty bad and it caught one of the wires, and this happened. So as you can see, when I scraped, basically cut into the wire. So this strip on this side does not work anymore for the underglow. But today we're just going to be taking all of them off. I could have probably fixed this, but I just don't think it's worth it, being $30 for the whole kit. I don't plan on buying another one. I'm just focusing more on performance now. But yeah, let's get to it. Don't mind the super dirty engine bay right now. But anyway, I think it's already disconnected from the battery. Yeah, I disconnected it earlier. So just kind of chilling right here. But I know we did drill a hole right here to run these. So I might have to take the battery. Probably won't have to take the battery out, but when I get back here, I know all the lines are run down through that hole right there for all the underglow strips. We're basically just ripping this off. Oh, look at that. Look. that we got all the underglow officially off of the car, we definitely don't have to worry about them randomly turning on anymore, because they definitely do not work anymore after all that cutting. But we did spend a little bit of money on this kit, so might as well have a little bit more fun with it. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I did. And if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe. Again, we're getting close to 500 subscribers, so it'd mean the world to me. But that's enough talking. I will see y'all next time.